Hey there, my fellow YouTubers. Hey, you know that if I build a model car, because you clicked on my page, you know I build a lot of model cars. You know that if I build a model car, and I'm going to show it to you. So guess what? I built a model car. And judging by this picture here that I'm pointing at, you could probably guess that it is the Revell 1969 Chevy Nova Yenko kit. Hey, this kit is really, really cool. This is the 1/25th scale kit. This kit is awesome. Hey, let me just show you this box real quick here. It's a typical Revell box. That's the pictures of the car, the engine, and the same picture on the side. Alright, so it's a pretty standard box. This kit's been around for a little while. I don't know what year this was. Does it say? 2020. So, been around for a couple years now. A couple years as it's filming. I just want to say this kit, I had a lot of fun building it. It went together real easy. And I have to tell you, personally, if I can toot my own horn here for a second, toot. This may be the best model I have ever built. Just with the, by building it and the finish on it, and this may be personal favorite build. So, without further ado, let's take a look at this Revell kit. So, in a 3, a 2, a 1, check this bad boy out right here. You're not going to tell me this don't look cool. Well, if you do tell me it don't look cool, that's, you know, your opinion. So, this is everything out of the box. This is box stock. This is cool. I need to get a turntable. I say that in all my videos. I am not sponsored by anybody, and I make no money off of YouTube. So whatever I have is mine. So that's why there's no turntable. Alright, so let me talk a little bit about this kit. This kit here, I can't get enough of this kit. This kit here, so what I did was I painted it. It was a Duplicolor color. I painted a Duplicolor primer, Duplicolor white. You know, you do the primer to make sure all your body is smooth. And one thing I didn't realize was there's a little line right through the top there. That showed up after I painted the blue on. Kind of interesting because that's a thick line too. But anyways, the blue is Duplicolor. Where's it? Duplicolor. It's a General Motor color. It is Bahama Metallic Blue. Paint this over silver, and my goodness, this got a sparkle on it. See the little sparkles in there, huh? How about that? So that's the body. Did it with silver trim. I do the painting. I don't do bare metal foil, so the trim is mostly the Tester's paint pen. The decal on the side is all one stripe. I had a hard time trying to get it even. You'll see that on the other side. It's a little bit better. Decals on top there. Alright. Grill. Blacked it out lightly. I didn't want to do too dark on it. Probably should have did a coat darker. It's okay. Did turn signal amber on the turn signals there. They're covered by a little piece of plastic. Yeah. Glass goes up on the inside underneath. Each one's individual piece. The rear end sits a little sideways, but you know what? It's okay. I don't want to mess with it too much. Alright, did the 427 plate on the back because, you know, it's the Yenko. Doing the Yenko stuff there. Alright, wheels just black washed. Let's just flip it over real quick. Nothing fancy. Black and silvers. Engine is an orange. Yeah. Alright. Interior. Hard to see here, but interior I did black and white with the blue stripe on the seat. The decals obviously on the seat for the Yenko version. The white shows up real nice on the back there. There's the dashboard. It was black, white. Did it with brown. Let's see if I can pick it up here. Oh, there we go. Nothing really special to it. I really wanted, you can see the blue insert there on the shifter console. Just want to do something a little different, but nothing too outlandish. There's a little blue on the door that it's really hard to see. Alright. Let's open up the hood here. This hood just opens up. It's got the hinges, but it doesn't really stand too well. I guess it stands right now. Alright, so the engine. It's just an orange. It was acrylic mix. I painted up steel headers. Kept the chrome valve covers, the chrome air cleaner. Firewall had a wire on it. I painted it red. Brake booster gold and silver. A little silver trim on the side there. Put that around. A few decals in it. Very straightforward. Batteries, my classic Interstate. Always do my fans for some reason yellow. So hey, this looks really cool. I really like this kit. then the radiator wall, I painted it black, but then I painted the radiator grille silver so you could see it. If you ever watch my videos, you know that I always say visually appealing. Probably should have painted the wires on the wheel wells there. I did not see that until now. But I do visually appealing, where I could do multiple colors and draws the eye towards you. Alrighty, chrome inserts there, chrome wiper blades. So then, I gotta tell you, after I painted this kit and before I put it on the chassis, I went ahead and I've been using this wax for on a couple of my cars. If you look at my 29 AMT custom pickup truck and my 67 Impala, the Supernatural one, I've been working with different shines lately. You can see the shine on the bag. Look at that. I love this. So the product I've been using, and this has been going around the internet lately for a while. I'm not the first one to discover this. And there's a couple videos out there already. Look at that shine. Look at that shine going right off the back there. Look at that. Whew. That's nice. Anyways, the product I've been using is Quick Shine Floor Surface. Multi-surface. Let me try it again. Replay. Quick Shine Multi-Surface Floor Finish. Protects and shines. So what I do is I just take a little bit of it by Holloway House. What I do is take a little bit of it, take a clean paintbrush, and I just run it right across. Wait about a half hour, and I'm doing another coat. There's probably about 50 coats on here. I'm not lying to you. I spent 3 or 4 days shining this up like that. And I got to tell you, this looks amazing. So, Holloway House Quick Shine Floor Finish. Get yourself a bottle of that. Highly recommend it. Alright. The one problem I am having with it is I noticed, so on the small surfaces I'm doing okay, but the big surface, like on top, hard to see here. Occasionally leaves a little bumpiness, and what you don't see on here is it's actually, you can see right there, you can see it a little bit right around this area here. On the big surfaces, it's leaving the brush marks. So I'm still working with that. Doesn't really show up on camera, which is very nice, but in person you can see it. So, I got a 7.5 minute video for you for the 69 Chevy Nova Yenko. This has turned out to be my personal favorite build of all time. I think my work is just incredible on this. I did have a little problem getting the front grill insert in. It didn't want to sit. I had to do some shaving around on the inside there. See, it's sitting a little outward there. The side here is okay. But I had some problems with that. So it was just a bad fit. Other than that, this kit went together great. This kit went together for me in about a week. Like I said, I spent about 3 days afterwards just putting wax on it. I love that wax. Yeah, just go ahead and get yourself one of these if you already haven't built one. That's the Revell 69 Yenko. Just get one. Highly recommend. Alright, everybody. Hey, after this here, there's a slideshow. Stay tuned for the slideshow. And if you're one of my subscribers, I appreciate you subscribing. Please write to me. I enjoy reading everybody's comments, questions, concerns, comments, whether they're good or bad. I get both. Yeah. So if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, I appreciate it if you comment me. Good, bad, it's okay. But I also appreciate it if you subscribe to me. So don't forget to hit that like button. And stay tuned for a slideshow, everybody, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. Rock and roll. Peace, love, and all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys later on another build.